guys. There's like security that pulled me over, but that ain't stopping us, bro. You feel me? Still getting that vlog in, bro. Feel me? Still getting that vlog in. Hey, they try to stop. They try to stop us. What the fuck is that? Donut?
Donut.
The candy shop, huh? Guys, so we're at $13. If this guy takes it, then I'm out. Alright? Double it, double it. Guys, we're at $14.
Come to enter, bro.
You know who to ask.
We'll go out right here.
We should go here. Oh, guys, thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Oh, you up?
I should ask, bro. I should ask. It's a cool little spot. It's a cool little spot. Guys, it was hella loud in the arcade, not gonna lie.
Bro.
Oh, yeah. You got the really quick pedal, bro. Get in the picture? Hello. $14 or double it?
That's $28. Why is that? Why do you want to do it?
I don't know.
She said that's $28.
Yeah, double.
Alright. You get some double in it.
What kind of video are you taking?
It's $1 or double it. Give it to the next person. So like whoever reaches the highest.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. That's the video.
I thought you were taking video for your school.
Oh no, shout out to you. Guys, so she said double it, so we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Do you guys think someone's gonna take 15, bro?
Homeless. Yep. For sure.
Guys, it's crazy.
They gonna
bro.
use that for crack.
Last time I did this video, I think I was in like the mall and someone just took it like a $2 straight up. Like they didn't even want to double it or anything.
They want that shit for crack.
It's crazy,
They
bro.
gonna use it.
Oh, what the fuck?
God. Fuck, bro.
Underage too. Yo, right now I'm trying to find someone to ask because you know what I'm saying? It gotta be someone in need. We don't know yet.
Hello. Hi.
Guys, remember.
You seen that nigga?
Guys, this looks like GTA.
On the fucking Infinity?
Look at the wharf, bro. Oh, yup. Doing a vlog.
You take that shit?
Get the pen?
Did you take that shit?
Yeah. I still gotta give the rest though.
Somewhere over there.
Taking hits and we're at Santa Cruz, y'all. You already know. Ooh, are you from NASA?
No.
Oh, I like
But
it.
they have chopsticks that they catch the first stage.
Wait, so you can see like the stars with
We're
the
looking at the moon.
oh
Come
the
see.
moon. For real, can I see?
That's why we're here.
Can my camera go and see inside?
I have trouble with those. They usually won't focus, but your phone will do it.
Oh, you can see it.
Take some pictures.
Shit on. Oh, and you get the drip. Shout out to you guys. Shout out. Do my vlog. What are you gonna get? What you gonna get, bruh? Yeah, we in the candy shop. Yo! Yo, whenever I pull up to the shop, they already know what's up. Like, I say, yo! Down below what we're gonna get. Guys, I'm gonna ask someone, eat this for 20 bucks? Guys. Excuse me? Can I buy this? This is the spicy challenge, huh? How's your day going? Busy? Pretty busy, my bad. We're gonna ask somebody $20 if they want to eat this hot gummy. We're gonna try to find people, y'all. Oh, yup. Hey, you already know. Got the warheads.
I don't know what
These are fire. These are fire too. You already know. What?
You got the basketball. You wear Crocs?
Oh, the Crocs?
You wear? Look at the basketball.
Look at those are dope.
Strawberry? Should have bust.
Guys, we're gonna wait to the boardwalk to ask someone if they want to try this for $20. Oh, this looks like a GTA hotel. Bro, we should go over there. GTA hotel, bro.
It's a shark.
The shark. Oh shoot. Bro, that's crazy. Dang, caught the fish. Dang. New catch.
Fatty.
That's a big fish.
You start thrashing around because that fish has got 3 hooks in it. So
Yo guys, I wonder if the fish wants a chip. Bro, imagine you gave a fish a hot candy. It's so spazzing out, huh? You caught a fish.
Oh no.
You caught a fishy. Alright guys, I'm gonna give it this one. I have a question. $15?
For what?
Because I was doing a challenge and I just take it.
Take $15?
Take it.
All right. Thank you.
Alright, yeah. Alright guys, we gave the money away, you know what I'm saying? But right now we're in an arcade. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe, and get my channel to 200. Drop a like and comment. I'll catch y'all.